No signal, no answer, no trace. You skip to be fire in an empty space. Try to call, but there's no dial tone. You switched off, left me alone. Last week you did text like home. Now I did talk to myself on phone. You used to buzz like early sun. Now your silence louder than gun. What changed? No warning come. You left like I be nothing gone. I scroll through chats for clue. Every I love you now feel untrue. My heart they ring, you did decline. Why you fall back, leave no sign. No dial tone, no more light, just darkness deep inside my night. You fade away like morning mist, but I still did feel your kiss. No reply, no green light blink, I did drown. I did overthink this love, it freeze like stone. All I hear, no dial tone. Voice not cure, no silence be the pain I endure. You build walls I can't break through, but still my soul they wait for you. We plan forever like we mean now you did vanish like Instagram. I call, I text, I beg, I plead, but ghosts know they hear or bleed. Did I move too fast? Did I love too much? Or you just they use me as crutch? I replay moments like flash, but answers no day, just ash. Maybe you don't need someone, maybe you just done. But next time talk, don't run. This ghosting thing, they way it done. No dial tone, no more light, just darkness deep inside my night. You fade away like morning mist, but I still they feel your kiss. No reply, no green light blink, I did drown. I did overthink this love, they freeze like stone. All I hear, no die, so I hang up my heart, delete the thread. But even in silence, I still hear what you never said.